it's not really that fun to work right in here, but it's necessary to do so we can get it all the way done. I really think there's not that much more rust. Hopefully I'll actually be done before summer. It is a big project for a new beginner. I've started to realize that. I'll weld this piece in right here, and when I weld this in, I can close it up from in here without welding a new piece in. But I think I'll still put a piece over it, and I'll still look what I'll have to do with this longer piece. And yeah, I think when I've welded that piece in from in there, I'll begin to work around here and see what else I'll have to do. I still have some piece down here that I have to close up, and up here too, and just all around the place. But we'll see when I get to do that. First off, let me weld in that little piece. And here it is, all welded up. Now I'll just have to grind it down. And then, as I told you before, now I can just punch this little bend up. I can punch that down. And then I can weld these two pieces together and just make it strong and very nice. After that, I'll see if this piece is worth it to keep, and if not, I might make a new piece, or if it is good enough, I can just weld it up again, because they haven't really welded it nice and strong. And I'm considering if I have to make a new piece right there, or I just have to beat it a little bit down so it's closer together, these metals, and then I'll just have to weld it together. But I think it will look prettier if I make a piece right there. So that's probably what I'm more likely to do. But after I've grinded the piece down, I just welded in, I'll have to begin work from in here, from the trunk and over the wheel case. And that'll be a job by itself, I think. There's a little bit of work, just like there is on the other side right here. And it's just not easy to get to, so it's not really that fun to work right in here, but it's necessary to do so we can get it all the way done. And right there is also a lot of work. There's holes right in the corner right here, as you can see, and well, this is better. There's a lot of work right there, and it just connects to right there too. And so I think when I'm done with the wheel case up here and done with that, I'll begin maybe work right here, or I might just go up and work right in the corner over there in the front, or where else there is a little bit more rust. But this will be an operation by itself. It's pretty big, and it really fills a lot, if you can see that. It's pretty much from there to over here. I'll have to cut out and place a new metal, and I'll try and also get these curves to it, because I think that will look better because it goes all the way back there. Of course, this little line is not from in here. I think it's the fuel line that was into the fuel tank. There's underneath right there. I just put it up here so I can weld and do stuff. But there'll be a lot more work too, but that will not happen in this video. I also have to see what I can do in this piece, because as you have seen in earlier videos, I have measured it out and done the work right there, and I have the measurements, but I think I'll only have to cut it off halfway and pretty much make a new bottom for this the spare wheel holder, what it is. But that'll happen in much later video too. I'm just telling you what I have to do in the future of this car, because I don't really think there's much more rust work to be done. These two wheel cases I've nearly done. They have been very time consuming and very hard to get to, because I had to work on the floor and just do the work right there. So it's not that easy to get to, and it's just difficult work, and also for a beginner like me, it takes some time to do all this stuff, and I'm glad that you guys like seeing me doing this stuff. So the wheel cases have been very rusty, and they have been the priority of all of the rust in this car. There isn't that much rust around stuff other than really those wheel cases. There has of course been a little bit right here, and I still have to work in here and also over there, and of course in both of the door sides there is still a hole all the way through, but I have the parts for a lot of the stuff that has to get replaced anyways, just like the door sides right there, and also the back piece and that piece too. And I really do have a lot of stuff just to get replaced, and I don't really think that will take that much time, but of course that takes some hours too. But I don't think that's just as much work like doing a whole wheel case in small pieces, in small parts, like I've done in both sides here. I know there has probably been better ways to and faster ways to do all of this stuff like I've done here, but I really think that for a new beginner like me, I haven't been taught how to do that stuff. So, but I really hope and also think that when I'm done with this wheel case too, with the second wheel case, and begin a little bit more rust work, just like in this trunk right here, and also this spare wheel holder, and a little bit more up of the in the front right there, and I really think there's not that much more rust. And then there's just the parts that I have to get put on, and I'll get some help when I get to that. So hopefully I'll actually be done before summer. I don't think there is that much more work to be done, and I really hope and think that. But it's still fun to do this, but it is a big project for a new beginner. I've started to realize that, but so much more fun, and I really like doing this stuff. But that was a big rant, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe to keep on following the project, and also go in and follow me on Instagram. It's Guldsmith Restorations. There's also a link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.